In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Systemi.io funnel templates and examples. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the templates for each step of your funnel and how to preview them so you can pick the best design for your needs. First, go ahead and log into your Systemi.io account. Once you're inside your dashboard, move your mouse to the top navigation bar and hover over the option labeled Sites. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Sales Funnels. This is where all your funnels are managed and where you'll be able to access the templates. If you don't have a funnel created yet, that's totally fine. In the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Create. Click that, and a pop-up window will appear. Here, you'll be asked to give your funnel a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, for example, by the product, offer, or campaign it's connected to. Next, you'll choose which domain this funnel will use. If you have multiple domains connected to your Systemi.io account, make sure to pick the one that matches where you want this funnel to live. If you're just starting out and using the default domain, you can simply keep that selected. Now, you'll need to select a funnel goal. Systemi.io gives you several options here. You can choose to build an audience, sell a product or service, create a custom funnel, or run an evergreen webinar. Your choice here helps Systemi.io suggest a basic funnel structure that fits that objective, but you can still customize it later, so don't worry too much if you're not completely sure yet. After that, set the currency for your funnel. This is especially important if you'll be selling products or services because it controls how prices are displayed throughout your pages and checkout steps. Once you've selected the right currency, click the Save button at the bottom of the pop-up. Give it a moment for the new funnel to be created. When it's ready, it will appear in your funnels list. Find it there and click on its name to open it. Inside the funnel editor, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of your funnel steps, such as opt-in pages, sales pages, thank you pages, or any other steps that were created based on your chosen goal. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the available templates for the step you have selected. To browse the different templates and examples, simply click on a step on the left sidebar. Each time you click a different step, the templates on the right will update to show you the designs available for that specific type of page. Take your time here. Scroll through, preview how each template looks, and think about which layout best supports the content and goal of that step. You can repeat this for every step in your funnel, moving down the list on the left and checking the corresponding templates on the right. This is how you explore all the Systemi.io funnel templates and examples, so you can confidently choose the ones that match your brand and your objectives.